Hello guys, I am here to do what I am going to call the best Japanese drift car. So, today we're going to start off with the excellent brand new Mazda MX-5. So, we're going to go ahead and upgrade. So, first we're going to go to the engines, see what wins. We could put a V8 in it, a V6. Much as I want to put the rotary engine, I'm gonna put the V6 in it. Engine, drive tank, we're gonna keep a wheel drive for drifting purposes. I could, go full out twin turbo the car, or I could go for supercharger, or I could go for this. Has the least amount of horsepower, but the reason why I'm not putting this on is because so I have a little bit of so I still have a constant power band, but it's not so much power. I know you guys can't really see the car, but so tires, we're gonna go for race tires. Now we're not gonna make them the biggest. I want race tires to kind of, you want a little bit of grip, so you don't just spin out everywhere. But you do want a good amount of time, just enough grip to kind of keep the car from spinning. But we'll come back to wheels. Drivetrain, we're gonna go full waste everything. Race brakes, obviously. Race suspension. Anti-roll balls, obviously. I ain't gonna put a roll cage in it. Now we're gonna put a sport weight reduction. Well, sport weight reduction. For this car, I kind of want to build the stock engine. A little stock engine. Alright. So that means I have to go through all this stuff again. See how much horsepower we can get in the car. Exhaust. Put a block in it. It's in the S class, which is pretty good. How much horsepower does this add? 400. So we got, I don't know how much horsepower we're gonna get. Okay, so we got 464 horsepower, which is it's not bad. Pretty good. But, alright. Well, I didn't put wheels on. I can do that later. So we are going to tune the car, but I am going to go just over here. Just so I can do this all at once. I like them. Can you guys see them wheels? Somewhat. Not really. Big body. And manufacturer colors. But this go. We'll probably all these cars will probably make a brighter color than what I have them. That looks nice. I like that. I like how that looks. Cool. Oh, I'm sorry about this camera placement, right, guys. I had to move my video game into my room, so yeah, it's kind of awkward. So back out. Now it's time to tune. Time to tune. So top pressure, I'm gonna leave standard, and if I need to change it, I will. I'm gonna add it to a little bit more acceleration. What do you want, Chad? So. Sorry about my stupid butt. Alright. So we're gonna run the stock Campbell anti-robots. We're gonna put them up a little bit. I'll leave all the springs alone. I like to add a little bit more to the wheel. Just so I can get a little bit of alright, that should be good. So let's go to the drift. Alright, now that we're here, let me make sure I have my traction control off. Okay, yeah. Let's level it up first. Alright, let's go. Let's see how. Alright, 3, 2, 1, I'm gonna float it. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Okay, it's spinning second gear. Or it's spinning third. Okay, it won't spin third. What was the light? I'm gonna get a photo. Alright, let me get a photo. This is where I meant to go, but that seems like it'd be a good picture. That's a good picture right there. Don't that look good? Take that photo right there. Alright guys. This is the end of the episode and I'll see you guys in the next video.
be, the rest of these videos will be combined, but I just need to work on some stuff, so goodbye. I said goodbye.